Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the new trending Gemini AI photo editing. So if you want to try the new trending Gemini AI photo editing everyone's talking about, the mini figure and also the photo shoot, here I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini AI to transform your photos into stunning professional quality edits with no advanced skills required. So what you need to do is just access or use the Gemini AI on your phone or on your browser like this. And the first one that I'm going to show you how you can create the mini figure trending edit. So once you open Gemini on the website, actually, you'll see these options as you guys can see in here. So you can easily click on this, make my own custom mini figure. So click on that. And this is the what it's called, the prompt. So create a 1/7 scale commercial figurine of the characters in the picture in a realistic style in a real environment, and the figurine is placed on a computer desk with a round transparent acrylic base, and the content on the computer screen is a 3D modeling process of this figurine, and next to it is a toy packaging box designed in a style reminiscent of high quality collectible figures. So what you need to do in here, so Gemini will ask you to upload an image to use as a reference. So you can just click on the plus button, upload files, and then choose the image, click on open in here, and after that you can just hit on submit. Then Gemini will generate the image into the mini figure. So you can just wait until the result is out. Okay, so here is the result. So this is it. You can just hit on the picture to see the detail. And if you like it, you can just click on this drop down button to download the image. And now let's move on to the second one. Let's go back to the new chat in here. So for the second trend is the retro sari of vintage photo. You can use this prompts right here. Get a retro vintage grainy but bright image of the reference picture. Again, you need to upload the photo. So for example, in here, I'm going to use the selfies in here. So the girl standing against a solid wall, deep shadows and contrast drama, creating a mysterious and artistic atmosphere where the lighting is warm with the golden tones of evoking sunset or a golden hour glow, and the background is minimalist and slightly textured. The expression on her face is moody, calm, yet happy and introspective. So let's just wait until the image is generated now. And this is the result for the retro sari vintage photo. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also click on thanks.